was such an amazing introduction. और आपने अगर मेरा इंटरव्यू भी देखा होगा PMC जोरबा पे, प्लीज फर्स्ट थिंग इज ऑल व्यूअर्स हु आर वाचिंग, फर्स्ट सब्सक्राइब. आप अगर भूल गए होंगे तो पहली बार फर्स्ट सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो इन्फॉर्मेशन आ रहा है, दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग. इवन आफ्टर स्पेंडिंग थाउजेंड्स एंड थाउजेंड्स ऑफ रुपीज आपको इतना इन्फॉर्मेशन नहीं मिलेगा. तो प्लीज फर्स्ट सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. सेकेंड, hello Chhattisgarh team, I'm so excited. Mother, I'm so happy to see you here for a change.
Yeah, for a change. Okay.
Yeah, so how are you feeling today, Mother?
I'm feeling very great.
Very
Feeling
great.
to see you here.
Yeah, I know the father must be like he's been sitting there for a long time, and it's truly
He'll come.
inspirational to see him. Yeah.
He'll come.
तो सबको बहुत इट वाज अ रियली ट्रूली अमेजिंग प्रोग्राम. मैंने पूजा का देखा है. शी वाज एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग. जो भी उन्होंने बात किया, उनका जो फॉर्मूला था, इट वाज स्पॉट ऑन. तो जो भी लोग अभी अभी आ रहे हो एंड यू हैवंट सीन द प्रीवियस सेशंस पहले से, प्लीज गो एंड वॉच आफ्टर द लाइव. और श्रेयांश का देखा था, एंड Shreyans actually touched a lot of points हम जो आज बात करने वाले हैं. And मैंने देखा, Rose, did you plan this or was it all coincidental कि सब साइंस के ऊपर था आज?
एक्चुअली मैं उनके सारे सेशंस अटेंड कर ही रही हूँ, एंड लास्ट टाइम भी मैंने भी आपको बताया था कि ये काफी साइंस पे ही मुझे काम करना है. तो कोइंसिडेंटली एंड आई वाज फीलिंग लॉट्स ऑफ एनर्जी व्हाइल व्हेन ही वाज टॉकिंग एक्चुअली. तो एक इन ट्यून होके भी हो रहा था, यू कैन से इन अ वे. आई वाज वेरी मच एक्साइटेड टू आस्क द क्वेश्चन, बट इट ऑल फ्रेम्ड, बट इट ऑल जस्ट एज अ मीडियम इट वाज हैपनिंग एक्चुअली.
Correct. Hello, Father. Good morning from US.
Sir, unmute.
Okay. Well, okay, never mind. Okay, he is unmuted. Hello, Father. You want to say a couple of words before I start?
Please speak a few words about your father's daughter, second daughter.
Father's second daughter.
Yeah, please speak.
Well, talking about second daughter, first thing is जो भी नए लोग आ रहे हैं, I would like to introduce you, if you don't know about the PSSM movement. आज जो कल उन्होंने नया डेफिनेशन दिया है, रोज, अबाउट PSSM, मुझे तो बहुत ही पसंद आया. आई एम श्योर तुम्हें भी पसंद आएगा. पिरामिड स्पिरिचुअल साइंस मूवमेंट. तो अभी दिस इज लाइक समथिंग मुझे एक्चुअली जाके PSSM ग्लोबल का भी चेंज करना पड़ेगा इसके बाद, बट इट्स रियली आई थिंक वेरी वेरी एप्ट. आज जो पूरा दिन में जो हुआ है, इट वाज ऑल अबाउट साइंस. एंड about his second daughter, I am very much into science. I love science, and I'm very much into mysticism also. Just happening. हमको क्यों हो रहा है, कैसे हो रहा है, वो सब जानने की जरूरत नहीं है. That is the other side of it. So I think PSSM is both sides. Is about our left brain, is also about our right brain. कि कैसे हम flow में जीते हैं without even questioning, without knowing कि कैसे वो फैन चल रहा है, कैसे वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी आ रहा है. We just enjoy the benefits. So that is one side of PSSM, and the second side of PSSM is understanding the science also. And also becoming scientists is just experimenting and becoming a scientist apne aap. And we are leaders, we are masters, or we are all scientists, each and every one of us. So this DDY ये जो movement start create हुआ है, it's all about experimenting and showcasing these scientists coming forward and talking उनका जो journey है, उनका जो evolution है, which is truly incredible. So सब जो देख रहे हैं अभी, please, there are every weekend कुछ ना कुछ हो रहा है. आप अपने friends को, colleagues को, ऐसा मत सोचिए कि वो उनको ये पसंद आएगा कि नहीं, कि ये नहीं. Don't hesitate, just keep sending and spreading this message, क्योंकि this is the most amazing service आप humanity और planet के लिए कर सकोगे. This is like the best thing that आप ये planet को दे रहे हो. So please don't hesitate, spread the love, spread the message of all the DDYs. Next जून में DDY UK है, USA है, फिर DDY 9 and 10 भी आ रहा है जून में. It's like so much of packed of June, so I'm very very excited. और छत्तीसगढ़ team is like super energy right now. Sheena, I see Sheena there. She's a rock star. She helped me with the technology in the last interview. तो मैं I'll go in and start. और कुछ, Father, anything else you want me to say? Add?
Say a few good words about your father.
A good words. Oh my God, that is a big challenge. जो मुझे दिया है, good words about you. Well, there are so many. I don't know where to start. So I'm going to talk about him as a father, not as a teacher or a guru or a master. As a father, he is absolutely amazing in the sense कि मेरे और मेरे sister को दोनों को बहुत ही freedom दिया है life में to make choices. So what that does is it incorporates responsibility, and with responsibility we take our own power. जैसे अगर हम life में क्या create कर रहे हो, वो उसका power comes with responsibility, and that's something that he has always given us, whether I was a 3-year-old or a 18-year-old or now a 37-year-old, whatever. So he's always been giving that responsibility and made us feel like, we are in power, and not just feel like he told us that that's how it is. So yeah, that's one thing I really love about my father.
Okay,
Okay.
enough about your stupid father.
Okay, all right. So I'm going to talk about father. If you give me permission, I'll talk about a little bit of more science. Is that okay?
Absolutely fun.
Okay, wonderful. तो आप सब ने आज अगर सुबह से अगर आप हो, I'm going to speak in Hindi and English too. So I'm going to improve on my Hindi यहाँ पे. तो please forgive me अगर मैंने कुछ गलत बोला या you can ask me questions. ठीक है. तो आपने सुबह से क्वांटम साइंस के बारे में सुना है. You have listened to about बहुत सारे words आए हुए हैं, जैसे heart coherence, we talk heart, intuition के बारे में सुना है आपने. ये सारे words अभी आए हैं. और meditation कैसे influence करता है. About emotions has been the big theme आज के दिन पे. Like I saw Shubhangi talking about different emotions, fear-based, fear-based, and then Pooja talking about how हमारे emotions को elevate करना है to create. Shreyans mentioning the same thing, heart coherence. And also Preeti, I just saw Dr. Preeti Kohli, she actually took us ये जो guided meditation about elevation of a heart. So I won't tell you about elevation or meditation, guided meditation today, but I'll tell you about why वो elevated emotion चाहिए, what is heart coherence, ये क्या चीज़ है. So we'll go back to basics today, okay? So this is like the stress 101 or meditation 101 course अभी आज आप सुन रहे, and it really will be very enlightening, empowering for you अगर आप किसी और को जाके meditation सिखा रहे हो. तो अगर कोई questions आपको आए तो how to answer it. So this is like a training session for all those 101 questions. Okay, sounds good? Okay, so पहली बात हम meditation, like in our everyday life we are seeing lot of stress. Like when was the last time कि आपने कभी कोई जवाब दिया या कोई answer किया बिना सोचे, you're in stress, you're in pressure, या कोई कुछ बोला आपने and it was a wrong decision, you have to give answers pretty fast. अभी जो situation है, हम घर पे है, we are managing our homes, we are managing our work, and I'm talking about regular people, okay? Not the pyramid masters, but the regular ones who, and even us, we are dealing with so much of things at once. we are managing so many projects, so much of things घर पे, and also not seeing anything outside. तो घर पे रह के अभी 3 महीने हो गया, and I heard इंडिया में 1 और महीना extend हो रहा है अभी. So you have to see your only husband every day 24/7. आपका जो wife हो या जो भी है problems है, and you have to live with that person, and it is pretty hard अगर आपके relationships में problem है. And also just staying at home without going out. बॉम्बे जैसे शहर में, जैसे मेरे in-laws रहते हैं, वहां पे even going out walking इतना pleasant नहीं है, because वहां पे इतना nature नहीं है, तो even that is not a pleasant thing. So how do you de-stressify? How do you get back into जैसे elevated emotion बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग, how do you get into that? वो चीज के बारे में आज बात करेंगे. तो पहली बात स्ट्रेस के बारे में. What is stress? Let's understand what is stress, because this is very very important. Stress is, जैसे definition है, stress का definition from stress.org. Stress.org का definition है, is any type of change that causes physical, emotional or psychological strain. मतलब जो हमारा balance, जो अपना normal capacity है, उसको अगर हम push करेंगे, वो जो either emotionally हो, physically हो या spiritually or even mentally, उसको strain बोलते हैं. This is a standard definition of stress.org. And also there's a book my brother-in-law Srinivas Reddy has suggested me to read. It's called De-Stressifying by David G. अगर आपको basics जानना हो तो this is the best book to read. यही book से मैंने बहुत सारा information निकाला है stress के बारे में. So anybody coaches who are working on stress and meditation, this is a great textbook for you to read. And he is an absolutely amazing teacher. अगर आपको कुछ भी question चाहिए, you can always reach out to him. So उसमें क्या लिखा है? The definition is anything that any outside demand which our own needs that are not met. जैसे आपका कोई need हो, whether a physical need हो, emotional need हो या mental need हो, अगर they are not met, then it becomes a stress. Okay, so मुझे अभी भूख लगी है पर खाना नहीं है, तो मैं स्ट्रेस में आ जाती हूँ. मुझे अभी अटेंशन चाहिए रिलेशनशिप में, पर वो नहीं मिल रहा, तो वो स्ट्रेस हो जाता है. तो वैसा अगर कोई प्रोजेक्ट हो, डेडलाइन हो, अगर आप वो उस पे आपको काम नहीं कर पा रहे हो, तो वो स्ट्रेस बन जाता है. सो दीज आर ऑल एनी अनमेट नीड हमारे अंदर जो है, दैट बिकम्स स्ट्रेस. एंड देर इज, मैं जब कॉर्पोरेट्स में टीच करती हूँ, जैसे एग्जीक्यूटिव्स एंड ऑल, तो वो लोग सब आके बोलते हैं मुझे कि परी, यू नो व्हाट परी, मुझे तो स्ट्रेस चाहिए लाइफ में, क्योंकि मुझे अगर स्ट्रेस नहीं है तो मैं परफॉर्म नहीं कर पाती या कर पाता हूँ. लाइक आई नीड द स्ट्रेस इन माई लाइफ टू मोटिवेट, टू इंस्पायर मी. नाउ देर इज ऑल्सो गुड स्ट्रेस. गुड स्ट्रेस, इसको साइंस में यू स्ट्रेस बोलते हैं, EU स्ट्रेस, यू स्ट्रेस. तो ये क्या होता है? इट्स अबाउट पुशिंग आवरसेल्व्स फॉर लाइक अ चैलेंज. लाइक ये हम स्ट्रेस की तरह नहीं देखते, एक चैलेंज की तरह देखते. मुझे ये प्रोजेक्ट करना ही है, ये मुझे पता है ये मुश्किल है. जैसे मेरे फादर सबको प्रोजेक्ट्स देते हैं, मुश्किल प्रोजेक्ट्स, पर सब करते हैं, क्योंकि वो एक उसका एटीट्यूड इज नॉट लाइक अरे यार ये मुझे दिया गया है, मेरे को पता नहीं कैसे, बट यू टेक इट एज अ चैलेंज, as like something to improve your own performance. So that attitude, जैसे आप stress को, वो situation को देखता है, it depends on that, आपका जो response होता है. So good stress is important for us. We need good stress. We need those challenges. We need to get out of comfort zone. अपने घर पे बैठ के नहीं, मुझे मेडिटेशन सिखाना नहीं आता, ऐसा if you sit and then you push yourself, मैं जब बचपन में थी, he would always like call me on the stage and ask me to speak my experiences. वो मेरे को बहुत ही मुश्किल होता है, because public speaking was not something that I was good at, or I was scared. जैसे fear of speaking in before public, ये बहुत common चीज होता है. And वो हमेशा insist करते थे कि okay परी, गुड्डी, मेरा नाम गुड्डी है at my home, come and speak on the stage. And then I would be like, तब क्या होता है when you are nervous, आपका हार्ट रेट बढ़ जाता है, आपको स्वेटिंग होता है, आपको एनर्जी पूरा ऐसा you'll feel rushing up of that blood of energy. and you are very very focused, you know आपका heart palpitation होता है, all this is stress. And also what it does is when you are feeling, because now I'm seeing that as a threat, so that is what श्रेयांश ने एक word introduce किया है, fight or flight mode. तो मैं आपको वो चीज बताती हूँ, अगर किसी को वो fight और flight चीज क्या है अगर नहीं मालूम तो imagine आप एक we went back to the cave stone age era, okay, वो टाइम पे हम क्या, we used to hunt for food, right? जैसे अगर आपके सामने अगर कोई टाइगर आ गया तो क्या होता है, if you see a tiger, the first thing you will see is you will be like, okay, you will get into the fight or flight mode. Okay, what does that mean? मतलब आपका पूरा जो वो response, ये stress response होता है, ये activate हो जाता है. ये सबको होता है, even animals, birds, everybody has this system inbuilt. And as such we also have. So when we see a tiger, first thing what happens, अपना heart rate बढ़ जाता है, we get into the fight or flight mode. अपना sweating चालू हो जाता है, पूरा blood gets into the lungs to pump more oxygen, so that it gives us more energy rush, and it secretes, and अपना immune system बंद हो जाता है, मतलब हमारा जो digestive system बंद हो जाता है, immune system बंद हो जाता है, मतलब we get more prone to diseases and illnesses. अपना एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम बंद हो जाता है, मतलब थायराइड प्रॉब्लम्स वो सब, यू नो, ऑल दैट वी एक्सपीरियंस, एंडोक्राइन बंद हो जाता है, रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम बंद हो जाता है, ड्राइव फॉर सेक्स कम हो जाता है, फर्टिलिटी इश्यूज हो जाता है. सो all these systems get shut down. So in that moment, और पूरा ब्लड ऊपर आ रहा है अपना, यू नो, इवन द ब्लड गेट्स कोआगुलेट्स, दैट मींस इट बिकम्स हार्डर, सो दैट अगर टाइगर अगर बाइट किया तो इट डजंट गेट, इट इज नॉट जूसी फॉर द टाइगर. तो ये सब चीजें 5 सेकेंड्स में हो रहा है. नाउ जैसे श्रेयांश ने बोला जो डिस्पेंसर व्हाट ही सेज वाज, ये 5 सेकेंड्स में 3 थिंग्स एक्टिवेट हो जाते हैं, टाइम, बॉडी एंड एनवायरनमेंट. मतलब हम बस टनल विजन होके 3 थिंग्स के बारे में सोचते हैं, मेरे पास कितना टाइम है रन करने के लिए, या मैं मेरा एनवायरनमेंट कैसा, मुझे कहाँ जाना चाहिए, कौन सा सेफ जगह है, और बॉडी, मेरी बॉडी सेफ है, और मेरे यू नो बच्चे या कोई भी है वो सेफ है, हाउ टू प्रोटेक्ट देम. सो ये 3 चीजें एक्टिवेट हो जाते हैं, हाइटेंड सेंसेस हो जाते हैं. दैट मीन्स वी आर गेटिंग मोर इनटू मटेरियलिस्ट, दिस इज द मटेरियलिस्टिज्म. हमारा घर कितना बड़ा है, हमारा हमको, मेरे को टाइम नहीं है, टाइम का बहुत एहसास, आई एम लूजिंग टाइम, आई डोंट हैव टाइम, आई हैव दिस, all these heightened senses of with time. And also our body, am I beautiful, am I this, you know, all this stuff gets heightened when we are in that fight or flight response. So once we fight, but this is important when we have a tiger before us, because we have to run. हमको अपना digestive system काम करने की जरूरत नहीं है वो टाइम पे, because we need to run, or we need to, or another thing is fight or flight or freeze. कई लोग डर के मारे they just freeze. So when after you run to a safer space, then our system should go back to its normal harmonious level. Like you check your environment, okay, tiger nahi hai, let's go back to normal. But now fast forwarding to the present time, we don't have a tiger that is threatening us alive. Our next presentation, our breakup, a divorce, a job loss, these are all our threatening tigers जो हम उस तरह उस नजर से देखते हैं. तो whenever we have post check. Am I back? Can you hear me?
Yes, yes, fine. Okay.
Yes.
This is no longer your, you're no longer enjoying it. You're जैसे वो elevated state बोल रहे, it's no longer inspiring. You're really getting into chronic stress. How do you know you're in chronic stress? अगर आप बहुत छोटी छोटी चीजों से irritate हो रहे हो, या आपके flow जो हम बोलते हैं, मैं flow में जी रही हूँ, आप no longer you're living in flow, आप interruptions हो रहे हैं आपके flow में, या आप बहुत impatient हो रहे हो, you're getting restless in life, और आप exhaustion immediately, like you're आप कुछ नहीं कर रहे हो पर फिर भी exhaustion feel कर रहे हो, lack of clarity, decision making, not sleeping well, not having good sleep, क्विक टेम्पर्ड, बहुत ही क्विक एंगर आ रहा है, या सरकास्टिक लैंग्वेज. अगर सरकाजम, हम ये एक डिफेंसिव मैकेनिज्म है, इट्स फॉर इमोशनल थ्रेट को फेस करने के लिए. So if you're very sarcastic, or you have people very sarcastic, they are actually living in stress, and they make the sarcasm as their defense mechanism, feeling hopeless, feeling life, feeling like life बहुत जल्दी जा रहा है, या you're feeling stuck. All these are symptoms of stress. And they get more physical when you start experiencing them in your body, like headaches, migraines. All illnesses are the major root causes that we are not perceiving things like the stress that we see in our life. Now, there was another study done. मैं meditation के बारे में बोलती हूँ, like how meditation can help us shift. Is that the way the scientists have told us कि जैसे सुबह उठना होता है. बचपन में मेरे फादर बहुत ट्रैवल करते थे और अभी भी करते हैं, और जब भी वो कई बार मैं उनके साथ जाती थी मेडिटेशन सिखाने के लिए, या ऐसे ही उनके साथ उनको अकम्पनी करने के लिए. तो सुबह अगर 4 बजे उठना है जाने के लिए, तो that used to be like a very, like it's a travel, so it's very encouraging. So I'm like up and I'm ready. Yeah, even though I'm pushing myself, even though मैंने रात को ठीक से सोया नहीं, पर सुबह मैं उठ जाती हूँ and I feel like I'm ready to go because I love traveling. And तो मैं वो सुबह जो उठने का वो जो activity है, I'm looking at a positive attitude. I'm not seeing that as a threat. वही चीज अगर मुझे कल सुबह प्रेजेंटेशन देना है और मैंने रात को ठीक से सोया नहीं, मैं उठती हूँ इरिटेट होके, या ठीक से सुबह उठते कॉफी नहीं मिला या कुछ नहीं हुआ, आई एम गेटिंग इरिटेटेड बिकॉज आई एम नॉट हैविंग अ वेरी गुड एटीट्यूड ऑफ व्हाट इज कमिंग इन माय मॉर्निंग. I'm living in fear. I'm seeing that as a stress. वो एक stress बन जा रहा है, as a negative attitude. तो आप हमारा जो एटीट्यूड है, जो दिन के बारे में, अपना डे के बारे में, अपने रियलिटी के बारे में, that attitude, that mindset is creating our reality. So whatever we perceive, now going back to the roots that I always say, हमारा जो परसेप्शन है, हमारा जो बिलीफ सिस्टम, हमारे अंदर जो एनवायरनमेंट चल रहा है, वही हमारे सामने एक्सप्रेस होता है, वही हमको क्रिएट होता है. दैट इज द रियलिटी हम लिव करते. बट हम बाहर चीजों को दोष देते हैं या स्ट्रेस के नाम पे, बिकॉज वी डोंट वांट टू. अगेन रिमेंबर, स्ट्रेस में हो तो 3 चीजें एक्टिवेट हो जाएंगे, टाइम, बॉडी एंड एनवायरनमेंट. So you're connected to all these 3 things, and so you're more अरे मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है, मुझे ये करना है, वो करना है. We always say meditation के लिए मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है. This is like one of the most common excuse that I always get. या मेरे पास बहुत काम है, मुझे बहुत संभालना है, I have so many responsibilities, I cannot do this, this is not the time for me. Again it goes back to time. Or I'm not, जैसे प्रीति ने कहा है, like it's not, मेरे को नहीं हो रहा है, like I'm not able to do it. So there are so many. और पूजा ने क्या, so there's so many things that we give excuses, blaming the outside, not taking responsibility कि हमारे अंदर क्या हो रहा है and how we can shift it. So everything that you have learned today leads up to this. First understanding कि आप stress में हो और stress आपको क्या कर रहा है. So if you are experiencing sleepless nights, if you're experiencing having fertility issues, or having less drive for sex, or having headaches or physical problems, any such thing is root causes that your attitude, your perception towards life has to change. It has to change. And how can meditation help you? I'll give you 2 simple examples, like research about what meditation actually does. So हमारे heart is directly connected to our brain, in the sense हमारे स्कूल में जो सिखाया जाता है कि brain sends more information to heart, or brain sends information is a master organ and it sends information to all our organs. That is not true. Our heart actually sends more information to our brain than our brain sends our information to heart. That means हमारे heart में 40,000 brain like cells है, brain, in fact brain cells है, neurons, and they actually sense and send information to brain. So इसका मतलब क्या है? Like when we see, like एक experiment है, okay, for intuition. So when we actually meditate, we enhance intuition, we get into more creative based. How does that happen? I'll explain you that, but before that I want to talk about intuition. I know I'm going too fast, but please hold on your questions and I will answer all of that. So क्या होता है, like there was an experiment done. So there were a group of people, they gave a computer to them, और वो उनका पूरा जो सब heart connected, brain monitoring, physiological monitoring, सब they were connected. And what they did was the computer was showing random images. कहीं कुछ you know, it was scary like dragon, या you know, scary pictures थे, disturbing pictures थे, कई you know, good pictures थे nature के, and you know, calm pictures. So what they did was, and nobody knew which picture will come up, even the person who organized it, because it was a random selection. So and every picture के बीच में 6 second का break था. So it will, a picture comes, 6 second blank screen आएगा, उसके बाद एक और picture आएगा. तो क्या हुआ, तो जब भी before a picture comes in the 6 seconds, heart, अगर वो एक disturbing message आया, तो heart would send a like an incoherent signature. They were seeing an incoherent signature before the even picture came. अगर एक nature का picture आए, before the picture came, the heart sent a coherent signature. Coherent मतलब balanced signature to the brain. मतलब what this thing shows is our heart actually can sense what is coming before even the brain, even before the eyes sees what is coming in. So this is pretty interesting, because हम सब सोचते कि intuition एक ऐसा you know, it's like a woo-woo thing, but it is not. It is the science कि हमारा heart has magnetic field, or it senses what is coming before even our brain, before even our eyes sees. So, and that sends messages to our brain, and then brain activates all these responses, whether वो flight or flight हो, या happy response हो, या जो भी हो. So it is very well connected. And also intuition is about एक entrepreneur study किया था, like there was a group of entrepreneurs, repeat entrepreneurs, they were successful multiple times, and the two things they have asked, like what is the real reason behind your success as a repeat entrepreneur, and 85% said that the two things that really contributed was following my intuition. These are entrepreneurs who are successful, plus giving back to your community. आपको जो help किया है वो community को help करना. These are the two things that really make them repeat entrepreneurs, make them successful. So why you need meditation is to get to that success, is to improve your performance, is to tap into your intuition so you can make right decisions, right actions, use the right words. Everything PSSM talks about. So this is so integral कि ये सिर्फ ये spirituality नहीं है, ये पूरा एक science है, जो आप अगर एक एक चीज को आप follow करेंगे तो it really is like a complete package. आपको किसी और की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगा. And now meditation neuroscience के you know, advancement के बाद what they have done is they have taken a group of people and scanned their brains before and after. Okay, तो before scan किया है, जो fear based हम जो बात कर रहे हैं सब लोग, वो उसका main source है amygdala इधर होता है. It's like a very small or you know, organ in our brain. That is the where seed all these fears sit in. So when you are constantly in stress, your amygdala starts expanding, and your brain stem, which is the one which is actually making your, you know, cortical brain, which is making decisions, starts decreasing. So you're making wrong decisions, you're attracting wrong relationships, you're living in stress, your physical problems get enhanced because you're more and more enhancing this every single day, living the life of doing what you don't like. Okay, so and how meditations, after they did meditation for 20 minutes for 8 weeks, that's it, 20 minutes for 8 weeks, फिर से स्कैन किया है और क्या देखा, द फिजिकल ब्रेन एक्चुअली चेंज, मतलब वो जो एमिगडाला है जो फियर बेस्ड है वो रिड्यूस हो गया, उसका जो साइज है वो रिड्यूस हो गया, एंड जो थिंकिंग ब्रेन है, जो एक्सपेंशन ब्रेन है, जो क्रिएटिव ब्रेन है वो इंक्रीज हो गया, विच इज very powerful. I mean, so we are actually changing our brain. जैसे श्रेयांश और quantum physics में सब बात करते हैं that the new neurons are getting created. How does that happen? Because your emotions, you're managing your emotions, you're reducing that fear base into more of creative base. And also the second thing that happens is हमारा जो left brain है, right brain है, there is a strip called corpus callosum that is like a bridge between your left brain and right brain. Most of us use our left brain, but if we have both brains, that means we need to use both our brains, not just one brain. So the right brain is more about creation, more quantum, more expansion, connectedness, oneness. So when we are making a decision, if we use analyticals, the science plus the flow of it, the spirituality of it, then we make absolutely right decisions that is aligned to our soul's purpose, that is aligned to our heart. So we bring in heart and mind alignment. That's how we start bringing, when these two are connected. So they have seen that meditators ke brains jab scan kiya hai, they have seen this corpus callosum getting increased. That means the information flow between both the brains is more in a meditator than when you see in a non-meditator. So if you're struggling in your either in your project or क्योंकि मैं खुद अब मेरे लाइफ में बहुत I have seen the struggle of when you are in corporates with the deadlines and you have to act, you don't have enough skill sets, but you have to perform well, you have to be the best, इतने सारे deadlines plus handle your relationships. We are going through a lot in this time. It is not easy. So we need tools, we need all this stuff. This is no more अरे meditation अच्छा है, करे तो अच्छा है. This is no more अच्छा है. You have to do meditation if you want to be a performer, if you want to be the best, if you want to be a great husband, if you want to be the best person in your life. This is no longer कि अच्छा है, करना चाहिए, time है तो करेंगे. No. You have to start doing it now so that you can be the best version to your community, to the planet, and do the best. So this is about meditation and how, talking about stress, how really we to manage our stresses, to manage our emotions. And there is so much more to it that we, I can go on and on and on, but I really want to stop now and take questions about anything, about stress, about any meditation 101 questions that you may have.
Yes, अभी आप लोग कुछ भी पूछ के यहाँ पे एक बार टेक्स्ट कर सकते हैं, then we can unmute and invite the people to ask the question. Okay, fine. मुझे एक क्वेश्चन आ रहा था जो कि मैं श्रेयांश सर से भी पूछना चाह रही थी, बट आपसे पूछूं, लॉ ऑफ प्रोजेक्शन को हाउ वी विल अंडरस्टैंड इन टर्म्स ऑफ फिजिक्स और क्वांटम फिजिक्स, लाइक हम बोलते हैं ना, जो आप दूसरों में देखते हैं वही आपके भीतर होता है. So here what we can explain in terms of science?
I think it is the other way. जो आपके अंदर होता है वो प्रोजेक्ट होता है लाइफ में.
Yes. वो
जो आपके अंदर चले, जैसे हमने वही बोला, जो स्ट्रेस जैसे हम देखते हैं, जो हमारे अंदर चल रहा है, हमारे जो अंदर एनवायरनमेंट है. अगर मैं मेरा फेवरेट एग्जांपल है लाइक रेन. मुझे रेन बहुत पसंद है, तो मैं रेन को अगर आया तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी, जो मेरे अंदर जो चल रहा है. सो जस्ट इमेजिन, मैं आपको एक क्वेश्चन पूछती हूँ. इनफैक्ट अगर आपको बच्चे हैं, you have a daughter, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So when you are in a happy mood and she comes in, say, and you're working and she comes in, say, mama. Okay. अगर इतना mama किया है तो आप कैसे react करते हो?
Please go. I have to go.
You have to work, right?
Yes. Yes.
अगर वही चीज आप टेक्नोलॉजी, अगर ये DDY चल रहा है, टेक्नोलॉजी शीना ऑफ हो गई, आई मीन यू नो शी गॉट डिस्कनेक्टेड and things are not happening properly and you are in stress and she says mama 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 mama, how do you react?
Right.
Right, you say please shut up, go and sit in your room.
Right.
Right, that's what you would say. So our reaction to the same situation is based on how we are feeling internally.
Yeah.
तो हमारे जो रियलिटी होता है, जैसे हम एंगर एक्सप्रेस करेंगे या जो भी हैप्पीनेस हो, इट इज बेस्ड ऑन आवर ओन इंटरनल डायलॉग हैपनिंग विद इन अस. मैं स्ट्रेस में हूँ, मैं स्ट्रेस में हूँ, मैं स्ट्रेस में हूँ, एंड दिस इज हैपनिंग, दिस इज हैपनिंग. सो वी आर क्रिएटिंग दैट रियलिटी फॉर अस बिकॉज ऑफ आवर ओन इंटरनल डायलॉग. तो अगर हम इंटरनल जो सब यू नो श्रेयांश ने भी बोला, जो स्टोरी हम चेंज करेंगे, इंटरनल स्टोरी, तो हमारा एक्सपीरियंस, बिकॉज हम अगर अच्छा, मेनली दिस इज द मेन थिंग, इफ यू फील गुड वी आर वेरी वेरी रेस्पॉन्सिव और हम सब अच्छे से बात करेंगे, सब अच्छे से करेंगे. अगर हम अंदर फियर में हो या एंजाइटी में हो, अगर भूख भी लगी हो, you know, normally like even I am like that. When I'm very hungry I get very irritated, very reactive. अगर वो टाइम पे मेरे हस्बैंड आके कुछ बोले तो I'm like really lashing out at him because that is again, you know, that is all like our internal dialogue is creating our experience. So what meditation does is changing that internal story slowly and slowly and slowly. It is not like an overnight thing कि आज बैठा है तो सब कुछ change हो गया. So how do you know meditation is working for you? Is you know, you will be less emotional turbulent. Mood swings जो बोलते हैं, especially for women, you will have less of that, less turbulent, less reactive and more creative. Yes, we should not be reactive. And he in fact my father has a very good concept on reaction and creation, creative and reactive. I maybe sometime he can share that. We need to be less reactive and more responsive, more creative.
Yeah.
कि you know, अगर कोई आके बोला, immediate reaction, अगर knee jerk reaction बोलते हैं, वो देना, मतलब that's we are in our very, वो automatic system अपना patterns create कर रहे हैं. But if we are more thoughtful, जैसे you know श्रेयांश भी बोला, I step back and I see how I am reacting. So there are techniques हम जो follow कर सकते हैं to step back and create that pause, to ask, to make a different choice in our life. जैसे हम अगर कोई जैसे आपके बेटी आके मम्मा मम्मा करेगी and you're doing a very important job, you will be like, okay, let me take a pause, beta, you stop it, beta क्या चाहिए, so you can change that reaction of what you would normally give. And that way you're also creating, you're also not, you know, her experience is also, you know, now she's also having a different experience. So there is so much that we are in control of just by noticing our own emotions, noticing our own patterns. And this awareness, this self-awareness gets heightened with meditation, because now we'll start focusing ki kya andar ho raha hai, what is happening. Because in meditation, it is the complete opposite of that three things that I talked about in stress: time, body, and environment. We get disconnected from body. We don't know whether male or female. We get disconnected from our mind. You know, just again, he has a great concept, 5-finger concept on this. If agar sabne suna hi hoga, 5-finger concept. We have to disconnect from our body, from our mind. कि मैं Indian हूँ, American हूँ, मैं this हूँ, I'm that, doctor हूँ, engineer हूँ, all that nonsense. We get disconnected from, you know, our own past programming, whether that's past life or this life. We get disconnected. So when we are all this, and कहाँ पे बैठे हैं हम, हिमालयस में बैठे हैं या घर पे बैठे हैं या कहीं और बस में बैठे हैं, we get disconnected from it. So we are actually disconnecting from these three things and really connecting into the, again, as from a science perspective, quantum field or consciousness point. So we are enhancing our self-awareness. So it's complete opposite of what you do in stress. And that's how we become more aware, more conscious, more in the flow. And that's when things start showing up. Did I answer your question?
Yeah. So Sheena, you wanted to ask something?
Yes.
Yes.
First of all, welcome, Parimam. Thank you so much for hi. Thank you so much for encouraging me and you know saying good words about me. Thank you so much for that. मैम मेरा सिर्फ एक छोटा सा सवाल है we generally cling to the results, you know. We always, even if we are doing something, even if we are picking up our pen from our desk, then we cling to the result. And that result also, you know, the clinginess towards the result also, you know, हमें वो stress पे लेके आता है, because we are so much cling to that result. So how to come out of that and how to deal with it, you know, because everyone is clinging to that result. हर कोई, चाहे आप वो पेन क्यों ना उठा रहे हो, चाहे वो पानी पी क्यों ना पी रहे हो, तो हम हर हमेशा उस रिजल्ट से चिपके हुए हैं. तो उस रिजल्ट से चिपकने की वजह से हमारे अंदर स्ट्रेस आता है. उस
Correct.
स्ट्रेस से हम कैसे निकलें और उस स्ट्रेस को कैसे हम कम करें, जिससे हमारा ये जो अटैचमेंट है चीजों से वो कम हो सके.
Well, great question, Sheena. And I know, Sheena, you are working in the IT industry also, correct? तो आप, मैं जो बोल रही हूँ, आप बहुत रिलेट करते होंगे कि यू नो हमारे लाइफ में कितना बहुत स्ट्रेस हो, आई मीन यू नो डेडलाइंस को लेकर, बहुत परफॉर्मेंस के ऊपर.
Yes.
So again, this goes back to the, I mean, very basic, that is, हम अगर, yes, we need to be aware of the result कि हमको क्या चाहिए, क्योंकि that is the setting the intention. But also, again, the major concept is living in the present, living mindfulness. So जैसे again definition है, meditation is not mindfulness. Meditation is, again, as we talked about, we get detached with these three things and we are exploring our, we are elevating our, like increasing our self-awareness. But when you are not meditating, your mindfulness, that is where you are mindful. And again, this is again a definition that I learned from my father, that mindfulness is about being aware of this moment, hum kya kar sakte hain. So being more present. And this gets really messed up with the life that we are living, because of we are constantly checking phones, Instagram, social media, wo log kya kar rahe, ye log kya kar rahe, hum mere life mein kya ho raha hai. This is constantly happening in our life. So we have a lot of distractions. And it is hard to be here in this moment instead of thinking, अरे मुझे ये YouTube में कितने likes मिले, let me go check. How many viewers are watching? How many subscribers have come? You know, we are all at the back of the mind as an organizer. We are also thinking in those lines instead of being here. So this is again happening because of that. That so many, like we think that we put that expectations for ourselves that we need to do. So practicing meditation, and also when you're not practicing meditation, mindfulness, bringing gardening and all of that, you know, being in the nature enhances that quality of us. The first thing I highly say is stop checking your phones the first thing you get up. Please do not check your phones for the first 1 hour, because आप कैसे आप दिन start करते हो decides your rest of the day. You get into that expectation mode कि मुझे ये करना है, वो करना है. Don't check your email. Don't check your social media. Don't check anything. Just go sit outside and have some nice good coffee, listen to music or meditate or exercise. ये जो बोल रहे हैं सारे सक्सेसफुल पीपल यही करते हैं. कोई उठ के अपना ईमेल नहीं चेक करता है, कोई उठ के अपना फोन नहीं चेक करता है. So this is the major tip I would give everybody is stop, because it will train us. They are designed to ये सारे जो Instagram और social media, they have constantly done lot of research and studied human brain. उनको पता है हम सुबह उठ के देखेंगे तो हम hooked हो जाएंगे उस चीज को. So they know that. So they use that technology to control our minds. But we are bigger than that. So we have to first not look at our phones the first thing in the morning. Meditate कीजिए, go for a walk, or exercise or whatever that creates that dopamine and serotonin, which are happy feelings, and that will take us forward. So living in the present.
Yeah. Wow. Somebody is asking, but अभी name को hide करना है, उन्होंने कहा कि क्योंकि मेडिटेटर अगर रेगुलर मेडिटेट कर रहे हैं फिर भी अगर गुस्सा आ रहे हैं तो व्हाट इज दैट इज हैपनिंग विद द पर्सन, क्योंकि सर तो कहते हैं कि अरे गुस्सा क्यों कर रहे हो, लाइक दैट शी इज कोरिलेटिंग. तो मेडिटेटर को क्या गुस्सा आ रहा है फिर भी इसका क्या मतलब है, लाइक दैट शी इज आस्किंग. या
वेल गुस्सा तो या डेफिनेटली अगेन एज ऑल इमोशंस हैव देयर पर्पस. अगर कुछ गलत हो रहा है, आपको गुस्सा आ रहा है, तो इट इज लाइक अ ट्रिगर फॉर अ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन. जैसे मुझे मेरे लाइफ में जब मैं कॉर्पोरेट में थी एंड देन मुझे गुस्सा आ रहा है कि मैं क्यों ये लाइफ में थी, मैं क्यों इस लाइफ में स्टक हूँ. I was feeling very frustrated and very restless, and that sparkled a transformation in my life. So हर एक emotion का एक purpose होता है, but again staying in that emotion, creating a house in that emotion is not what we want. We want to switch into compassion, but that doesn't mean that we don't want anger or we don't want anxiety. We need all of those emotions to create transformation. And the second thing is, जैसे मेरे को recently, I'll share an example. I was on, I don't know if any, अगर customer service call पे अगर कभी आपने किया हो, so it is very frustrating. जैसे you talk to them, you explain your problem, they don't understand, and you again explain. So ऐसा 3 बार हुआ था मेरे recently. So and I was on the call with that customer service, and she was like, madam, okay, what is the problem? I explained. मेरे कार्ड में गलत चार्ज हो गया, तो why are you charging? I need the refund of that money. And then I explained to her. She said, okay, we are refunding. Okay, good, happy. I hung up. Nothing happened. तो मैंने फिर से next day जाके I called and I said, hey, you know what, refund तो हुआ नहीं, क्या हुआ? And again she asked me all the story. मैंने फिर से story बताया, फिर से बोला, okay, ठीक है, सब ठीक हो रहा है, and I will get the refund. I saw the next day, nothing happened, no refund. तो मैंने फिर से third time call किया, and again she asked me the same question. I'm like, don't you have notes? आपके पास notes नहीं है? She's like, no. So that's when my anger started coming up, क्योंकि मुझे अभी frustration हो रहा था कि कितने बार मैं यही चीज repeat करूं. And then third time she asked me, and she's like, okay, sorry madam, we cannot refund, this is not happening. And that's when my anger started coming up. In a normal reaction would be, I would yell at her, I would say, you guys don't know what you're doing, आप क्यों ऐसा customer service रखते हो जो help नहीं कर सकते, and all that. I would rush all those emotions in a normal scenario if I didn't have the tools that I do right now. But at that point, I just took a pause. Just like Shreyans mentioned, you take a pause and you see, okay, if my normal reaction would be yelling at her, my normal reaction would be making her life miserable in that second, as she did for me. But I would take a pause and say, and just observe my breath. Take and observe your breath for 2 minutes. Bring yourself back into coherence. Observe your heart. Get into your heart rhythm, normal, easy breathing. That is very important. And then you start answering that communication. You will see that your response, you're no more in the reactive mode. Your response to that person completely changes. You're more in a compassionate state. You're more, listening than just making assumptions. Most of the times we are not listening to other person. We are just thinking, oh, इसने ये बोला तो मुझे ये बोलना, ये बोलना, ये बोल. We are always in the, okay, how to react. वो analyze करते रहते हैं, but we never actually listen. And that's again another big quality or big thing that this organization promotes is sharing experiences. Listen to people. Don't just get stuck in your internal dialogue. Listen to what, like how Pooja has talked, she shared about her 200-day meditation, 3-hour meditation. All these things जो हम सब आके इधर share कर रहे, listen to them. And then don't just sit with your story. So that's something that big that I have learned, and how I can implement in my everyday life. How can I shift my own anger, transforming anger into usable energy, like you making communication better way. I know I gave a big answer, but this is important for everybody कि हम कैसे अपने anger, अपने anxiety को transform कर सकते हैं.
Right. Wow. So anybody can raise hands if they want to get answered. Anything?
Can I
Okay.
ask one more question?
Yes, please.
Okay, I just have one question. You talked about sarcasm. Sarcasm is also a kind of shield you just build in front of yourself, because that has been my mechanism of dealing with emotions. Whenever I get hurt, initially when I came into meditation, before that I made sarcasm as my shield. Whenever I used to get hurt, I used to deal it with sarcasm. Even if I'm angry on someone also, I used to deal. I used to take sarcasm as my shield. Okay, fine, I'm angry, but I don't want to show my anger, so I'll take it in a sarcastic way. So I see a lot of people doing that. So
Correct.
meditation is there, but still, you know, sometimes it happens that you are meditating, everything is happening, but still you cannot come out of that quality of yours. That still today also, if I get angry, you know, now I know, I'm very much aware that okay, fine, I'm getting angry, I should pause, I should not react. But that then it takes another turn. After 10 minutes, it comes as a sarcasm again. You know
Hmm.
that okay, fine, this is what happened, and it you know, then I take it in the sarcastic way to the person whom I'm angry with. So how to deal with it, you know, because yeah, we have been learning everything about not reacting, responding, and everything. But it happens. Sometimes it happens, and how to deal with that particular situation.
Great question, Sheena, and I'm really thankful कि आप ये आपने share किया है, because this is something that we all deal with. हमारे life में सबके पास either we are sarcastic or we have people who are sarcastic, and this is something that, you know, we don't even know कि sarcasm एक defensive mechanism हमने बना दिया है. We don't even know that. हम ये एक automatic process हो जाता है जो families के अंदर रह के deal हो जाते हैं, and then we take it from our parents because they have used it as their own defense mechanism because they cannot speak up or whatever. So we take it from, you know, from our parents or from our environment and use it to protect our ego कि hurt ना हो हमारा ego, and this is a threat. Again, this is a flight or fright response to our emotional ego because it is threatening our ego. That means again it is death to our brain. So our brain doesn't understand कि real tiger है कि ये एक imaginary threat है, तो वो समझता नहीं है. So anything we think, our thoughts will start creating that response, and जो automatic reactions है, जैसे if we are used to the sarcasm in our lives, that will become our automatic response. So that is again coming from the fight or flight. So we are living, we are doing that, that means we are staying in that mode. And also it's not easy to break the pattern अगर हमने बहुत, you know, ये repeat करके जिया है. And also then we say, you know what, some people will say, you know what Pari, you don't know कि मैं कैसे लोगों के साथ deal करती हूँ, तुमको पता ही नहीं है मेरे लाइफ में कैसे कैसे लोग हैं, you know, ये सब मैं, you know, I listen to all these that you don't know, you know, in your life you have all meditators around, but you don't know what my life is. It doesn't matter, everything will change अगर आप internally आपका dialogue अगर change करोगे. So first thing is breaking that pattern, identifying, जैसे हमने as in heart math, this is the heart math is the root of everything what Joe Dispenza talks, what Greg Braden talks, everybody talks. It is the basis, core messaging है, core research. उसमें क्या बोलते हैं, like how it is, like first thing is understanding our reactions, understanding our emotions, who we are, understanding हमारा emotional state क्या है, like just state of being, जैसे श्रेयांश ने बोला. So we understand that, we identify where we are, and we start using tools. There are many different tools apart from meditation that we can start. You know, we have to activate more and more to really break that pattern. अगर आपको, you know, अभी break करना है, and it is a commitment. आप अपने आप से commitment करना पड़ेगा. You have to make it happen. आप, you know, you cannot get carried away. Change your environment. अगर environment people को change नहीं करेंगे तो you get involved in groups like this, people like this, then automatically you will start getting entrained, and you will start changing your own internal story जो आपके life में starts reflecting. So again, yeah, you know, emotional, that is emotional threat to our ego, and which also, like for example, there are 4 domains: physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual. These are 4 domains of resiliency. They are all connected. अगर आपके, say for mental, you have deadlines, you have lot of work to do, and that is creating pressure. So what that means, you will work long hours, it will stress you physically, that, you know, you have backache pain or shoulder pain, or these are all migraine, and that will also create emotional strain between you and your family, or, you know, having that not emotional resistance, you become more reactive. And वो time पे कोई आके बोले, you know, कोई spiritual ज्ञान आके कोई दे, तो you will be what, less tolerant to listen to that. तुम कौन होते हैं मुझे आके बताना, you won't be tolerant. You will be like reactive, like, you know what, I have my own values, please go mind your business. You know, you will be more in that way. So your own resiliency जो अगर एक domain में कम है, so it will affect all the 4 domains. So for example, so in that way, when we start meditating, we start increasing resiliency in all the 4 domains: physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual. So it all comes as a package. It's not just about spirituality, third eye opening, astral traveling. No, it's not just about that. It's also about your physical, eating right food. That's also why we focus on eating right food, because food converts into chemicals, and chemicals is how that goes into our body. So that's why there is so much emphasis on eating plant-based food, eating the right food. So much emphasis on our words, using the right words, using the right thoughts. Because when we start thinking about, am I using the right words, we start becoming aware of our own senses, of our own things. So these are all the principles that were built to actually enhance our performance, enhance our life. So yes, that's an emotional is a big part of getting into fight or flight, and it is very damaging. It brings down our self-confidence. It takes us into depression, and so many things happens with that.
Thank you so much for answering my question.